My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the new ransomware that is called Mmdt. Mmdt is a ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is called Mmdt because it encrypts files and adds this special Mmdt extension to them. The video will demonstrate to you the damage that is caused by this ransomware. So you can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you are able to open any files without complications. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Mmdt ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. Then people realize, especially after restarting their computers, that something really bad has happened with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. The ransomware encrypts the files and it also adds this special Mmdt extension to all these files. As a result, it's not possible to open the files anymore. All the data gets damaged and encrypted by this horrible malware that is called Mmdt ransomware. Then the ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. You can find this Mmdt ransomware by going to the task manager of your computer. So most likely you will find some suspicious processes with long random names, such as this process. So if you have discovered some of your files to be already encrypted and some not encrypted yet, it's a good idea that you go to this task manager of your computer, then look for this suspicious process with long random name, and once you find it, it's a good idea that you right click on it and end its task. This can help you stop the further file encryption and prevent the further damage being made to your data. But unfortunately, it is often too late and the ransomware completes its malicious function and actually encrypts the files. So after the ransomware attack, it's not possible to use the files. You try to open it and you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Mmdt extension. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay the ransom, which is $980. Yet, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file recovery, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. What we recommend you to do is to immediately scan your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, start the application, and begin researching your system with its help by clicking on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so in the trial mode only the quick scan option is available. Combo Cleaner will begin scanning and researching your system. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files that were damaged. Combo Cleaner did not encrypt these files, so it is not able to decrypt them, but Combo Cleaner is definitely able to detect this Mmdt ransomware and to remove it effectively. And also, its anti-ransomware feature is able to protect your data, your files, from being damaged by any other ransomware in the future. Once again, this anti-ransomware feature is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you will see the information about threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on your computer. Based on that summary of threats, some infections can always be removed manually. However, I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your computer clean and to maintain your data always protected and free of any other threats in the future.